Changing your HP Smart account settings. To change personal and account information on your HP Smart account, go to support.hp.com on your computer or mobile device and click the Sign In link. Enter the email address associated with your account and then select Next. Enter your password and then select Sign In. Select your account name and then select My Account. Next to the account setting you want to change or add, select the Edit or plus icon. Update the information in each required field and then select Save. The updated information is saved to your account and is reflected immediately.